Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome to the channel. Today we have a special treat for you. Not Too Shabby and Kat Scrappiness is teaming up and doing a collaboration hop, and you're not going to want to miss this. So we have a coffee latte hop filled with beautiful projects featuring coffee. We are featuring Kat Scrappiness's brand new Pour Yourself a Latte stamp set. What a gorgeous stamp set, illustrated by our very own LV handcrafted Lynn. I love the big cup with the options to stamp in different latte art on top. Super cute. We have a new coffee bundle in the shop. You can pick this bundle up and get the bundle discounts or shop a la carte. I do have everything listed individually, or you can pick up the bundle. This bundle will ship right away, so you will be able to get this before Christmas. It makes a great Christmas gift. We're going to make these two cards today, so stick around. I can't wait to show you how I made these two cards. I think they turned out gorgeous. I'll have the links to both shops in the description box, along with the hop lineup. There are two prices on this hop, so make sure you leave a comment as you hop along to each channel. So enter the giveaway before December 15th. Sign up for the Kat Scrappiness newsletter. The link will be down below, and fill out the Rafflecopter form down below. There'll be two prizes, one from the Not Too Shabby shop and one from Kat Scrappiness. So there's two chances to win a $20 gift certificate. So good luck, and let's get started. Our free with 60 incentive is our brand new Coffee and Cream Sparkle Enamel Dots. So pretty, will go perfectly with your new coffee papers. This will pop into your cart once your order qualifies. Okay, I want to flip through some of the pages in this beautiful paper pad. Gorgeous prints. I want to show you the ephemera really quickly. I'm just going to put a picture of all of the ephemera, but let me bring some of it up close so you could get a look at how cute. So we've got a latte cups with beautiful artwork on it. There's some sentiments in here, caffeine before chaos. And there's also latte to go cups as well. And there's some sentiments if you need them. Just gorgeous images. So I'm going to put a photo of everything laid out for you. You've got plenty to work with. This will allow you to make quick, easy, and beautiful cards. Let's take a closer look at the Pour Yourself a Latte stamp set. It's a nice large stamp set from Kat Scrappiness, and I love that you can stamp those coffee latte art decorations on the top of your coffee, and then it also has that steam. Super cute. Okay, I'm going to stamp out this one here. I really like this design. And I'm going to stamp it out with Distress Oxide in Walnut Stain. You want to stamp this in a latte color or chai latte color, whatever kind of drink you're making. Okay, that looks great. I'm going to get a little bit more right here in that spot, so I'm just going to stamp it one more time. All right, beautiful. So I'm going to color up the cup, and then I'll cut this out with my Brother Scan and Cut. I always like grabbing the colors from the paper that I'm going to be using. These are the papers that I'm going to be using. These are brand new to the shop. Cafe Latte and the Cream to My Coffee, they complement each other. You can grab some basic designs and mix them with these beautiful patterns. This does come in a bundle. You get a little discount when you purchase the bundle, but also the items are sold separately. So in the bundle, you're also going to get the coordinating ephemera, which has some gorgeous latte art and beautiful cupcakes and coffees. And then you're going to get these matching sparkle enamel dots that coordinate with all the colors in these paper pads. So I'm going to color up the cup to complement the papers and also these little greeneries. And I'm probably going to color them brown just to match everything and make a nice monochromatic look. So again, the stamp set I'm using is called Pour Yourself a Latte by Kat Scrappiness. I'm going to put that right there and get some inspiration while I color. Here are all the shades that I grabbed. I thought these would complement the paper pad nicely. I'm going to use E37, E34, E33, and E11 for the cup. I'm going to add my darkest shades to the edges of the cup and flick inward towards the center. This cup would also be great paper pieced with some pattern paper if you didn't want to color in the cup. I'm going to put the dark at the bottom here, and let's just color that in, and then we'll work on the handle. Now E34 and E33, I have a hard time figuring out which one is darker. To me, I believe it's the E33. Maybe because this marker is more used and it's kind of tacky. So I'm going to work to blend out these lines that I've created. My marker is a little bit dry. Let's see, I'm going to have to refill this, but let me get these blended out before this dries up. Okay, so I'm going to have to try and work that out with the E34. Okay, and for the center, I'm going to use E11. And this marker is very dry as well. I really need to refill my markers. So I'm going to switch to E00 for the very center. And that's going to give us a nice highlight in the center of this cup. Okay, there we go. And we're going to do the rim. I'm going to do that in E34. Now I'm going to color up these greeneries with these other colors that I picked out. Let's do E79. There's some sentiments in the ephemera pack that I could use. I could put it right there on top of the coffee cup. This one's Caffeine Junkie. Insert coffee to begin. Let's see, all you need is love and coffee. I like that one in front of the cup. Life happens, coffee helps, caffeine before chaos. There's like a cupcake, a latte cup maybe I could put behind. I could put some little coffee beans in front. So I'm going to cut this out and arrange and see what I like. So here are my images cut out, super cute. I like this image on there on the cup as well. So I'm going to put that to the side, and let's take a look at the papers and see what patterns we would like to use today. If you're looking for a gift for the holidays, this bundle would make a great gift. Or if you have stamp junkies in your life, this beautiful pour yourself a latte stamp set would be a beautiful gift for a stamper. Or let's take a look at the design. So we've got beautiful coffee colors with beautiful coffee images and some really nice beautiful complementary patterns. There's some script on there and that looks really pretty. This is kind of formed in a wreath. This is really gorgeous. Love those beautiful leaves. Some coffee stains on there. Super gorgeous. You get your croissants with your coffee. It's a pretty print. Really, really pretty. So you get 4 of each design, and then we've got some basic patterns that you can kind of mix and match with that paper pad. Beautiful glitters. Love this. Like this one looks like grungy paper. There's some polka dots in here. Some tiny heart polka dots, some gingham. This one, I love this pattern. Your glitters. And the colors are beautiful. Really love that one. So, let's see what's going to go great with this. The way I colored this. This color really works nicely with the dark walnut stain. Kind of liking this one. Though the leaves might go nice, but might be too many leaves. Love that one. This one might work good. So I think I'm going to, let's see, we could bring in some of these. Let's pick out the busy pattern. I'm thinking this one. It kind of goes nicely with the cup color. So let's grab this gingham. It's got some nice polka dot on the back too. This with this. And then I kind of liked this one. I kind of like this too. I'm going to go for this one because it looks more of a solid and it brings in that dark color. So there are our 3 patterns. We're going to make 2 cards today. All right, let's start putting our pieces together. I cut borders or mats for each strip that I did with a 1/4 inch border. So let's start gluing that down. I'm going to pop this one up. Let's go ahead and glue this down to the center. I'm going to add a little bit of glossy accents to the little balls on the greenery here. Okay, this will complete my first card. It turned out really pretty. Hope you guys like it. I'm going to add a little twine bow right there. All right, so cute. All right, so for my second card, I got all my pieces cut out, so let's assemble this. I picked out this sheet for my base layer. Really like the dark coffee in this picture. So everything's going to have a white border. This is a similar layout to the previous card. But for this one, I added an extra layer of paper going down the center here. And then for this layer, since this is piled up, I just put foam tape on the ends so that can lay nice and flat. And then for this card, I'm going to decorate the inside because I really wanted to use that steam from the Kat Scrappiness stamp set. So we're going to stamp out the cup and the steam. So let's just center this up. And then we've got our latte. And then I'm going to have this for my sentiment off to the side. So we'll pop that up. We'll glue this one down flat. I'm going to stamp on the inside of my card. I really wanted to use that steam. So I'm going to stamp that with the coffee cup on the inside. And then right here, I'm going to pop this up. And we're going to just put this right here in the corner. Like that. I'm going to stamp this on the inside with the Distress Walnut stain. That way I can easily write my message over this. And then I want to stamp the little coffee. Looks like the cup is almost empty. Down here at the bottom. Let's line that up. Okay, I think there is a good spot. All right, so it looks like my coffee is almost done. I think that's perfect for the inside of the card. So I'm going to write my to and from. So I'm going to have my to up here. And I'm going to put my from down here. And I can write a little message in the cup. Let's add a little glue and paste this on the inside. Okay, so there is the inside of the card. How cute is that? So we got our lovely coffee cards. So there's the first one and the second one. We didn't decorate the inside of this one, but I could go ahead and do that off camera. So let me know if you have a favorite. I love them both. I'll have the links in the description box for you where you can purchase the Latte Art Bundle and the Kat Scrappiness Pour Yourself a Latte stamp. Thanks so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!